When you see AI spraying, many people think the machine is in control of everything. But the truth is, without a human, AI can't do a thing. This isn't just a regular machine on display. It's a system powered by the XTRITON Intelligent Spray Painting Robotic Arm Paint Go, turning people's skill into something repeatable. The human decides where to spray, how much to spray, and what to protect. AI only makes sure it's steady, done right, and dependable. The first question, will AI replace humans? No, and it shouldn't. The value of the XTRITON Intelligent Spray Painting Robotic Arm Paint Go isn't in the robotic arm itself. It's about taking experienced staff skill, making every day consistent, and turning what they normally do by feel into something you can trust. It's not automation, it's turning human skills into a company asset. When this system is paired with Nippon Paint's AI-PPS technology, the protection layer is no longer applied as a film, but formed directly through spraying. Protection doesn't need to be seen, but every single time it must be the same. AI controls the spraying path, humans control the spraying logic, and every layer is fully traceable. Protection goes from subjective feeling to an objective standard. When humans make the decisions and AI ensures execution, technology truly serves the business. When the XTRITON Intelligent Spray Painting Robotic Arm Paint Go meets Nippon Paint's protective materials, we look forward to the future working together with everyone to equip every car with an invisible armor, and see by making every job perfect every time.